Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we will finally connect data from two tables using joins. This is what makes SQL truly powerful. A join allows us to combine data from two or more tables based on a related column, usually a foreign key. In our case, we join students and classes using class ID. Select dot first name, comma, An inner join returns only the records that exist in both tables. This shows each student's name with the class they belong to. If a student doesn't have a class assigned, they won't appear here. A left join returns all records from the left table, that's students, and the matching ones from the right table, classes. You will still see students even if they are not assigned to a class yet. The class name will just show as null. A right join is the opposite. It returns all classes even if no students are enrolled. This helps when you want to see all classes, even the empty ones. Perfect! You now understand how to connect tables using joins, one of the most useful tools in SQL. In the next videos, we'll explore updating, deleting, and aggregating data. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, keep practicing. I'm the SQL Query Coach. See you soon.